In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Monzo loan balance and view repayment details. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your Monzo loan on the home screen, how to see your current outstanding balance at a glance, and where to view the details that matter most, like repayment settings and your payment history. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. When the app loads, make sure you're on the Home tab. This is the main dashboard where all your accounts and products are listed. If you've navigated elsewhere in the app, you can always return to Home using the tab bar at the bottom. It's the best place to get an overview of your money in one place. A quick tip: having a stable internet connection helps everything refresh correctly, so if something looks out of date, give it a second to update. Once you're on the Home tab, scroll to find your loan account. You'll usually see it grouped with your other Monzo products, often under a section for borrowing. Look for the card that's labeled with your loan. On that card, you'll see your current outstanding balance displayed right away. That outstanding balance is the amount you still owe, including any interest that's been applied so far. If you've just made a payment, it may take a short moment to reflect, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. If you have more than one loan, each one will appear separately, and you can check them individually. If you don't see a loan listed at all, it could mean you don't currently have an active loan, or a closed loan has moved to your history. Next, tap on the loan account to open it. Here, you'll find more detailed information beyond the headline balance. This is where you can review your repayment settings, such as your regular repayment amount and due date, and see how your schedule is arranged. You'll also find your repayment history, which shows past payments with dates and amounts, so you can confirm what's been paid and when. It's a great place to double check that everything is running as expected. If you're exploring options related to repayments, this section will guide you through what's available for your specific loan. That's it. Open the Monzo app and go to the Home tab, scroll to find your loan and view the outstanding balance, then tap the loan to see your repayment settings and history. With these simple steps, you'll always know where your loan stands and what's coming next.